So we decided to do our own laundry while here in Phuket. Laundromats seem to be plentiful, fairly clean. Most of the machines are always working. We do laundry about every 8 days, which for us cost about 100 baht, or translation $3 US.
Some laundromats offer vending and coin machines, while others have employees who will sell you detergent and give you change. Just keep in mind that just because a laundromat is 24 hours does not mean they have employees available 24 hours.
We typically don't sit there the whole time, but it takes us about an hour to hour and a half, depending on the machines, to get our laundry done. Recommend the big industrial machines because they're faster and more efficient. Typically go get lunch, bring it back. By the time we're done with lunch, it's time to throw our stuff in the dryer.
Many of the laundromats have ample seating. They offer fans and tables to fold up your items. Some of them even offer baskets for you to put your items in.
So far, the employees have all been very helpful, and they assist us on figuring out the machines because some of them don't have English and you got to translate. Overall, it's been a great experience. We're continuing to do it.